Okay, so let's dive into today's morning move. It was a good one. Markets that we don't normally trade, but we're always on the lookout for something that's going to go on the morning move, something that's going to create volatility and going to move quickly in one direction. Today it was the EURCAD. EURCAD had sell signals, so I shorted that and got out of it at 9.13 for $454. And then just a couple of others here. CAD Swissy that I managed to close down, not for big profits, but for a profit to tally up to $915. But done for the day. Nothing else to do now. I'm going to take the rest of the day off. But let's dive into the trade setup and what I was looking for here. So the focus was really on this EURCAD for this morning. We've been looking at it yesterday, Monday morning, in our live trading room, and I'll show you on the bigger time frame what I was looking for. We got the track sell signal, pro-trend system, tracks turned red. We had 3 tracks that were red pro-trend system, shorted it, got a good entry, guys, stopped just above the high, swing high here. Started to push down, and then we started to go sort of vertical to the downside here. Wide range candlesticks, nice moves lower here. Red pro-trend system, red is sell, green is buy. Keep it really simple, and then I managed to get out just here as we turned back to green. Okay, so nice profit. Could have taken another short here, could have taken another short here and another short here, but chose not to. By that time it was 10 a.m. in the morning, well 9:45, 10 a.m. and the morning move is really done. But let me show you on the bigger time frame that really got us curious about trading the morning move. Remember, the morning move is all about that window of opportunity from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. is that window where you want to just trade for those 2 hours or 1 hour if you get the move earlier and be done. All right, but let's take a little look at the bigger time frame here. So we got to our bias time frame, which is, on this particular case, it was the 1 hour time frame, and the EURCAD had made some very nice buy signals all the way up here on the tracks, and then we made a brand new high overnight while we were fast asleep in the Asian session. The storyteller down below, our indicator, was firing these yellow lines that tell us there's divergence coming into play here. So I was expecting, because of the advance in the EURCAD, it gone up with lovely green pro-trend systems to the upside. Every pullback into a new red, into a new green was a buying opportunity. But it was really here yesterday that really got our, we started to notice this, that if we make a brand new high here, then momentum is much lower than the previous high. Okay, so we had a much bigger peak here and then a lower one here as price made a new high. Bearish divergence. We had a lot of hot zones in here as well, which are these lines, these automatic support and resistance lines. So I was on the lookout on Tuesday morning for this sell signal. We got the red PTS here at 7 a.m. this morning on the 1 hour time frame, and that was great because that really was the heads up that we're going to roll over and drop. So it was all to do with structure, with a trending higher highs and higher lows, and then making a final move to the breakout area. So we break out, but the storyteller indicator down below has given us bearish divergence, which told me, hang on a minute, we're not going higher, we're going to be going down. All right, so then it's all about going down to your trigger time frame. This case is the 5-minute chart. Sometimes go down to the 2-minute time frames to get into these trades, but 5-minute is perfectly fine in the FX market. You don't particularly want to be going down too far on time frames on the FX market. 5-minute is perfectly fine with currency pairs like this EURCAD. So that was a good trade. Okay, so $450 odd on that one. The CAD Swissy one, which is, again, I'm trading the CAD here currency, was one of those trades. As soon as I got in it, I thought, what am I doing in this trade? Not because I'm going to lose some money on it and it's going nowhere and I've not got the strategy signal. It's just because it's such a slow mover, and you know, this market move here from what, 91 up to here, it looks a long way, but it's only like 20 points, 20 pips. Okay, but you can ramp it up with position size if the moves are slightly smaller. But for the morning move, I like to get big profitable trades that can allow me to make the money as quick as possible. It gives you the freedom to do what I want for the rest of the day. But look, the one on this one, guys, was really, the anchor chart on this was relatively simple as well. a ginormous, absolutely ginormous divergence down here. Once again, 5 waves down in the opposite direction to the EURCAD. Okay, so we were trending lower, and then we get a new low here. Okay, and then this great big divergence. You got to trade divergences with 45 degrees. You know, you cannot have divergences that are flat like these ones here. They've got to be 45 degrees. Then you get that boom, that snap back, which is really good. So pro trend system all the way down, CAD Swissy trending lower, and then finally we break to the downside, and then the divergence kicks in. Tracks give us the buy signal. That's the trigger. The buy signal is the the pro trend system gives us those tracks buy signals. Green for buy, and away we go. So really nice move. All right. So that's $950 odd today. I don't think I could have done any better, really. I think followed the strategy better than I did yesterday. Got out nicely on the color changes, which you're meant to do. And the strategy was there. The whole structure of the trend was really good. We had the divergences in play. It wasn't going with momentum moves that were starting new trends. These moves today were all about ending the trends. And so tomorrow we'll look for another hot market to trade. It isn't always the DAX. It's these currency pairs. We've had plenty of good morning moves today. You can't be in every single trade. All right, just got to pick one market, 2 markets, 3 at the max, and just trade those morning moves and be done for the day. Hope it helps, guys. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and the notification bell there as well for when we upload videos for you, showing you the morning move and the results each day. It's not just the morning move. We've got swing trades happening here with the Pro Trend system. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. And we've got loads of resources down below. We've got a free beginner's apprentice trader course down there, and some other courses. I've got my book down there, Goals to Gold, that you can maybe download as well. And yeah, looking forward to speaking to you soon. Take care. Bye bye now.